Welcome to all. I'm Surya. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Applications. So today, as a case study, we have taken client-side and then server-side scripting language. What is the difference? What is the advantages we are having in client-side scripting language and then server-side scripting language? So first one, we are going to see about a server-side scripting language. So it is comes under server-side scripting language. So here we have taken PHP as a server-side scripting language. First introduction, it is a server-side scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. So PHP is a widely used, free and efficient alternative to competitors such as Microsoft ASP. So before and all we have used .NET and then Java, C, C++, so many softwares we are using. So now recently we are using PHP software. It is a server-side scripting language. We can say that in a scripting language we are having two types, server-side scripting language and then client-side scripting language. So now today we have taken a PHP software. It comes under server-side scripting language. So here as a PHP code we can run in the server side and then client side also. For example, PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code are executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP files have an extension .php. So why we are using the extension means we can identify the files by using the extension only. For example, if it is the text files means we'll be using the extension as .txt. If it is Excel file means .xls. If it is a document file means .doc we are using. So in a PHP file we have to use the extension .php. And then here PHP we can just use the editor to use the to type the source code and then we can run the program in the server side, that is the server. Okay, in the server we can run our program. Second one, what can PHP do? So what is the main thing we are going to learn in PHP? What are the advantages of PHP? So PHP can generate dynamic page content. So dynamic means it is a running time. Okay, so PHP can create, open, read, write, delete and close files on the server. So PHP can collect data. PHP can send and receive keys. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your databases. So for example, if I want to add and delete, modify data also we can do it. PHP can be used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. With the PHP you are not limited to output HTML. You can output images, PDF files and even flash movies. You can also use the HTML, that is extensible HTML language, and then XML files also. So here we can use the database as a backend file. So we can create the program and then we can open the program and then we can read the program and then we can write the program and then delete the program. So these are the things we can do in the PHP language. First, PHP syntax. PHP, it is having the syntax. It is a script is executed on the server and the plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. So the result will be back to the browser. So by using the browser, we can see the results of the particular program. A PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. Okay, so the script can be anywhere we can include. A PHP script start with less than symbol and then question mark PHP and ends with the question mark and then greater than. Normally we'll be pronouncing the symbol as a greater than and less than symbol only. A PHP file normally contains HTML tag and some PHP scripting code. So it is an embedding language. We can say that embedding language because in the HTML file we can include the PHP script also. PHP statements end with a semicolon. Normally we'll be using semicolon. So at the ending of the line. Okay. So if you are meeting the ending semicolon means we can find out that the line has been ended. Okay. Next, variables. So what is the meaning of variables? Already we know about variables. Just we are generating the memory in the place, memory in the hard disk, otherwise memory. Okay, just we are creating the place. So PHP variables can have short name like X or Y, or more descriptive name, age, car name, total volume, like that. So what are the rules for PHP variables? How can we declare the variables, and what are the methods and procedures are there to use the variables? A variable start with a dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number, so should not start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, and then variable names are case sensitive, so and then different variables. Next, we are using the data types. What are the data types? Data types variables can store data of different types. So first, string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, and then resource. So in this video we have learned about PHP. So and the outline of PHP, and then variables, data types, everything we learned. Thank you.